Hi, I'm Amir Riaz. I'm an associate professor in mechanical engineering and an affiliate of applied mathematics and scientific computation. This summer, I'm leading a team that is designing at home experiments for the heat transfer course ENME 332 that I'll be teaching this coming fall. The team includes myself and Professors Marino Di Marzo and Jungho Kim, and a graduate student, Harsha Bharadwaj. Students in this course will be provided with instructions for carrying out simple experiments at home on their own to help them understand the basic concepts of heat transfer, such as what is thermal conductivity, how is heat flux related to temperature gradient, and when is radiation heat transfer important, and so on. These at-home exercises will consist of experiments that can be carried out using standard household items, for example, boiling water in a pan. Students will also use more sophisticated, commercially available experimental kits and devices that have been developed for university-level heat transfer courses. Overall, with these at-home experiments, students will be able to understand the concepts of heat transfer in a much better way. And these experiments will complement on-campus labs. Students will come back and have discussions on these at-home labs in studio sessions. Thank you.